Chris is capable of learning new objects from visual exploration and composes tasks from visual human demonstrations. After learning, he can then detect the objects and execute the tasks from hierarchical representations. Chris can also learn and adapt to new tasks with an intuitive graphical and textual interface.
Our solution incorporates active vision with incremental learning to register and detect new objects required in the tasks with minimum human intervention. This actually removes most of the data annotation work and enables the user to register new objects very efficiently.
With visual task learning and probabilistic reasoning, the hierarchical task knowledge can be acquired and extended with simple interactive user guidance.
Chris incorporates multiple novel aspects of AI, including active vision, incremental learning, action recognition, probabilistic logic programming, and tactile perception to achieve interactive and safe human-robot collaboration.
The EVA robot with 7 degrees of freedom offers high flexibility to enable the motions for viewing an object in different angles with high accuracy and reliability. This is very good for our objective chain.
This perceptual and learning system forms an integral part of a larger collaborative AI program, which is a national effort in Singapore to drive towards industry adoption of AI in Industry 4.0 application scenarios.
As part of the Industry 4.0 vision, we are committed to develop next-generation collaborative AI solutions that free us from tedious and laborious programming, where cobots can be then effectively deployed and efficiently redeployed in different environments, saving our time and cost for the industry.
Industrial intelligence.